Hey gorgeous, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel and happy new month to you. So this is a continuation of the video I made the last time. Although some persons like their scrunchie this simple, but other persons may like it with flour, and that is why you are seeing this video on your screen. So if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. In order to get the flower part, this is what you will do, although the measurements may vary, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I made use of these measurements you are seeing on your screen right now. And this fabric is more like a silk fabric, although you can work with any fabric of your choice. So what I went ahead to do was to fold the fabric into two on the right side. I went ahead to stitch it at half an inch, which is totally optional, but stitching it will make your work very neat and also makes it faster. So after stitching on the right side of the fabric unfold, I got my needle and my matching thread. I created ruffles by going back and forth, and when I was done, I just arranged it into a flower like this, then I tacked it down. Very simple. So you may decide to leave it like that, or you can introduce your beads or your pearls or gems, anything at all, just to embellish it. I attached three of these pearls to the center of the flower. Sometimes you may just need to use your fabric glue, but I think I prefer this needle and thread because it's going to really hold the beads in place and it will not fall off very easily. At this point, it was now difficult to pass the needle through that middle because it became so thick there. Last, it was all done, and as you can see, it's very beautiful. The last part of this DIY is just to attach the flower to the Skinny Scrunchie. Okay, you can just tack it with your needle and thread, and that was all, guys. So in case you missed the last video on how to create this scrunchie, please kindly check the description box. I'll be leaving the link there. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Once again, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Bye.